sige.
I heard somewhere that may mga moments daw, pack up na ng maaga si Paolo pero hindi daw umalis at hinihintay na matapos si Kim. Is that true?
Oo, totoo naman yun. Parang vice versa si Kim din naman. Hinihintay si Pao. Parang ano rin naman siguro yun. Kasi respect or courtesy lang talaga na support.
Courtesy o ano? Parang sweetness.
Well,
hinahatid daw? Totoo ba yun?
Hinatid niya sa car.
Hindi pa sa bahay?
Parang hindi. Parang wala siya. Kasi they always have to
Kasi
work.
pwede namang umuwi na si Pao pero bakit hinihintay pa niyang matapos?
As a gentleman. Yan si Paolo. As in like, kudos na rin mo. Sobrang gentleman niya.
Okay.
Parang, ano rin naman, si Kim din naman, pag alam niyang onti na lang yung kukunan namin, he waits for Paolo talaga.
Right. Okay, direct. Sige na. Baka pawisan ka na eh.
Ng kanilang work relationship and everything.
Parang muntik mo nang sabihin relasyon, direct. Muntik ka na madalas eh. Pero sweet.
Even if I have to fetch you every day, you get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make this world go round. And don't let it bring you down, turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. You get by with a smile. You can never